Hello everyone and welcome to the channel AUTOart. So today I bring you yet another unboxing. This time I'm unboxing a Lamborghini Gallardo LP570. This one is made by AUTOart and I've been told that these are one of the top in the business. So I'm looking forward to seeing how it is and if it's worth all the money. So let's have a closer look at the box. It got windows all around. Also on top, so you can essentially display it as it is. I'm not going to. I'm going to take it out of the box and display it like that on its own. So as you see here on the bottom, gloss finish, very nice. So with the car out of the box, we see that it's fitted into this plastic frame. Gallardo LP570 Supertrofeo Stradale. Not sure if I'm butchering it. There's some paperwork here as well. Let's see just how to unscrew it, how to open doors. Yeah, that's it. And then the rear bonnet or engine cover, it's located on the back here. I see it's not fitted yet to the car, so it's just below here. A bit hard to see with the lighting, but it's just under there, under the rear of the car. So let's get it off the stand and have some detailed shot of it. So I finally got the car out of the box. It took a little while, but I got it out of there. I gotta say, this is one of the more tough or longer taking unboxings that I've done. There was a lot of unscrewing, a lot of small elastic bands that I had to remove, but by doing all that I really noticed that there's a lot of attention to detail compared to the other models. And actually this model wasn't that expensive. It was around the same price as the BMW I purchased earlier, so around the $80 mark. Not that bad comparing to some of the other AUTOart that cost on top of $200-300, maybe even more some. But let's have a closer look at it. So if we start from the side, we got the lovely red, the gloss black roof and the matte black engine cover and spoiler. So we got the gloss finished wheel with the red calibers. Looks like it's carbon ceramics. We also have, it's a bit hard to see here, but we got the carbon side skirt extensions. So if we have a look at the front here, very beautiful. It looks like an actual badge, the Lamborghini badge, not just a sticker. Got the corner splitters here, finished in a matte black with a little logo here in the front. Bit hard to see. Nice detail on the headlights. So we got the carbon mirrors as well, with a nice detail to them. So if we have a look at the back here, got some nice exhaust tips with a bit of depth to them. We got a carbon fiber rear diffuser. Again, the Lamborghini badge. Some nice mesh here on the engine cover. So let's have a look closer at the engine. Let's see if we can take this off easy or if it's gonna be a bit of a struggle. It's held down with magnets from what I could tell. Okay, here we go. Really nice part, made of metal. So the engine, beautiful V10, naturally aspirated. Gorgeous sounding car in the real world. Okay details down there, not anything crazy. But you do see the engine rocker covers with the Lamborghini stamps on them. So let's have a look on it on the inside. So nice two-tone interior with the red and black. Also even the dashboard is in red and black. Let's see if I can get some more light shining through so you can see it a bit better. So got the filtered carpets in there. Got some nice detail to the cluster, steering wheel, center column. Center column is in carbon fiber. Not sure how easy it picks up on the camera, but it's very nice. Got some nice dials inside as well. A lot of detail. Looks amazing. If we have a look at the door, we see it's in carbon fiber as well, with the door handle, speaker cover. Amazing details. So let's have a closer look at it around the model. So the front of the car also opens. It got some nice felted material in here. Got nothing really special else in there. So you can open to the front if you want to. So the car does drive forward and backwards. It does move. The wheels, they do rotate the rotors inside. So it is very true to real world. This model is definitely one of the best attention to detail cars I got. Got a lot more detail than in the BMW and a lot nicer finish to a lot of the parts. So this must be the top one in my collection so far. Hopefully I'm able to get other AUTOart cars and to see if the quality goes out through the range. So that was it for this time, folks. Be sure to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Currently I don't have any other cars in the mail, but hopefully I'll pick some up in the future. I got a keen eye on a few models that I like to purchase, but for now I don't have any in the mail. Thank you very much for watching, and take care. Bye bye.